So why start a YouTube channel at over 50? I'm going to give you three reasons why. The first is if you think about how you consume YouTube content, for me, it's I go on, to look at silly things, but also to learn stuff. For example, if I don't know how to fix a toilet, for example, I'll watch a video on how to fix a toilet. And I may watch it 10, 15, 20 times, and then I get the idea, and then I go and I do it. The point of this is that you have individualized knowledge that's valuable. It may not be valuable to everybody. For me, I have knowledge about ferrets. It's my thing, right? And I have a passion for cycling. Again, that's my thing. But you have individual knowledge. That knowledge somebody wants, somebody is going to be looking for. So why not put it out there into the world? The second reason to start a YouTube channel over 50, or really at any time for that matter, is because it can act as kind of a digital archive of your evolution as a person. So you can look at videos that you did, the very first one, and they're horrible and they're supposed to be. And as you get better, they get better. And you can kind of track your evolution and you can kind of feel proud about that. It can also act as, for example, I do a lot of pet content. Let's be honest here. Pets are not forever. And you can take pictures on your phone and you can take videos on your phone, but what happens if for some reason that footage gets lost? You're creating basically a digital archive so that, sometime when the time does come, you can look back at, in my case, my ferrets and think about it really, really fondly, and it's really, really lovely. And that's actually a really beautiful thing. The third and final point is really that creativity builds self-confidence. I know I find that, you know, since I started my channel, and I've only had this thing really running for real for maybe a month or so, ideas constantly are popping into my head. And I'm constantly thinking, oh God, I can make this. And then when you make it, you get that boost of like, that's really cool. Whether someone watches it or not is completely irrelevant. The fact that you created it and it's yours alone, is just mind-boggling. And for me personally, it's been a real journey. I found that my confidence has gone up. I feel a lot more comfortable being in front of a camera. I still kind of stink at it, but hey, we all stink at things at first. And you know what? Progress doesn't come in miles. Progress comes in inches sometimes, and that's okay. So, message to people that are watching this is, if you're considering it, do it. What do you need? You need a cell phone. Basically, you don't need a lot of fancy equipment, and you just need something that you want to talk about. And everybody has something that they're passionate about, something that they want to share with the world. So get out there and create. If nobody watches it, so what? It's still yours, and it's yours alone, and you can be proud of it, and you can hold your head high.